This is the NUWATT LED Square Retrofit can light in 6-inch white trim. It features a clean square design with smooth trim that's unique to the market. It also comes in black trim. Installing this light is quick and easy. The E26 connector allows it to be installed into any existing 6-inch can by simply screwing it in. It also has a built-in 5 CCT switch to adjust the Kelvin temperature of the light, giving you the flexibility to match the color of your NUWATT lights with the rest of the lighting in your space. NUWATT makes lights that are built to last, with each unit featuring a high-quality, durable frame. No matter where you decide to install it, you can be sure that it's a commercial quality fit for any job. You can find this light on our website and at most major retailers.